Hey guys! So today I did this monochromatic eyeliner lip kind of purpley pinky tone thing. I don't know what to call it. It will be in the title, but yeah, I basically used my lipstick as eyeliner and also did like a matching eyeshadow. Could you guys also please subscribe if you're not already? Comment what you want to see next or anything like that. Also, I explained in the video, but I'm going to actually start doing shout outs for my favourite comment. Yes, so comment anything you want me to see. And yes, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm just going to take a bit of the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and use that as an eyelid primer, because we want a clear base, you know. I've already also done my eyebrows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. God, I forgot how full coverage this concealer is. By the way guys, the only reason I don't really use this concealer is because it's not really good for dry skin. So it kind of creases underneath my eyes, but it's really good full coverage, so I like using it on top of my eyes. I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender as well. I'm then just going to take the Shading Light palette and set that in place. So now that's set, I'm going to go into the Carly Bible palette and I'm just going to take like a transition shade, because I want something in the eye but just not too much, because obviously I'm going in with the colourful eyeliner, so I don't want it to take away from that too much. I'm actually going to mix this purple one with the transition shade just to give it more purple tone, because that's the colour we're going for in the eyes. And just lightly brush that on. I'm just using like a fluffy brush from Morphe, by the way. I'm taking the Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the shade Head Over Heels. What I'm going to do is just take a bit of that and put it on the back of my hand. You can see I already tried it before because I was trying to choose which colour I wanted. But yeah, I'm going to just put it on the back of my hand. Mind you, this does dry quite quickly, so you've got to work kind of fast. And I'm just going to take a angled brush. This is a wing liner brush by Zoeva, and I'm literally just going to pick that up, coating the sides as well a little bit, just wiping it off as well. And I'm going to take my mirror and I'm just going to wing it. So I'm going to just start by drawing a line on the base of my lash line. Okay, now I'm just going to start on my wing. Sorry, I couldn't talk really through that. Didn't even breathe. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep going over it a little bit just to make the colour a bit more opaque. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Okay, half an hour later. Yeah, so I've done both eyes and I've also just cleaned up the edges of the makeup wipe. And I actually feel to go with a bit more purple on the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna do that now. So I'm just gonna take this shade from the Carly Bible palette and just pop that in my crease a bit more. I'm gonna do my lashes now. I'm gonna just take the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. What else is new? And yeah, I'm gonna just coat my lashes with that. I already prepped my skin, and I'm just going to prime it now with the NYX Hydro Touch Primer. I literally am in love with this primer. I'm actually running out of it so quickly because I use it every single day. I just think it makes my base look so nice and dewy. And it makes my foundation stay all day as well. I'm taking my NARS Natural Radiant, what's it called? Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Mine's in the shade Fiji. I was going to say I'm pumping that on the back of my hand, but let me not. I'll just pop it straight on my beauty blender. I'll start with 2 pumps and just pat that into my skin. Oh gosh, I forget how full coverage this is. I'm taking my Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Light Warm. Taking that and popping it underneath my eyes. down the bridge of my nose, on my chin a little bit. I'm looking crazy already. And again, taking my beauty blender and blending out. Oh, by the way guys, I want to start doing like shout outs for comments. So like, I want to like choose my favorite comment under every video I post, and then in the next video shout that person out. So I'm gonna start like from next video. So under this video, like leave a comment and I'll pick my favorite one, and then I'll shout you out. I just think it's cool to do that kind of stuff. It helps us interact a bit more. So yeah, if you want to shout out, just comment something below. Can be literally anything. I'm setting my face with the RTMA No Colour powder. I literally hate this packaging. Like, oh, why do I have to do that every time? I literally waste half of it because I spill it everywhere. Just using a beauty blender to press that into my skin. I'm not going to bake with it because I do have dry skin, and baking is about like letting the oils absorb the powder. There's no oils, so it will not be absorbing, but I will press it into my skin with the beauty blender because it just gives a more natural look. Oh, by the way guys, after this video I'm filming my weight loss Q&A, so that will be up already because it's going up today, which is, oh no, it's going up tomorrow, which is Wednesday for me. And the day this is going up is Friday. So yeah, I'll link it at the end of the video and in the description below if you wanna see that, because I've actually got a lot of questions to answer. You guys came through with the questions and the voting. I think there was like 80 or 90 of you that voted on the poll on Twitter, so that's crazy. But yes, if you want to see that, I'll link it below. Okay, so now that my face is all set, I'm gonna take this Real Techniques, I think it's a buffer brush, foundation brush, I don't know what it is, but I really like it for contour because I think it just really packs it in. By the way, look how much powder I waste. Like, where am I supposed to put that now? So I'm taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, sorry it's so dirty, and I'm just gonna mix these two shades. I like using this brush because it's dense, so it packs on the colour, but it like blends it and buffs it out good as well, so it doesn't look like a harsh line. I don't know, I just really like it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to talk about it, but if you haven't already watched it, watch it. This new movie called The Kissing Booth came out. I watched the trailer for it like 2-3 weeks ago on Instagram, and I literally couldn't wait. Like, I added it to my list because it's a Netflix movie. I added it to my list and was waiting so long for it to come out. Okay, not so long, but I was waiting every day for it to come out. It came out on the 11th, I think. I watched it that exact same day, watched it, then I watched it, like I finished watching it, my sister came home and I was like, okay, let's watch it because I want you to watch it. So I watched it like twice in a day. Then I watched it like, I think 2 days ago again, and then yesterday I started watching it again at the gym, and I'm gonna finish it off at the gym today. I just love it. I don't know what's, just watch it. It's such a good movie. You'll fall in love with it. I think it's becoming, or has already become, my favorite movie. Literally, like after today I'll probably have watched it 4 times because I've already watched it 3, so I don't know, all I'm saying is it's really good. So I'm taking my Narcissist cheek palette. I literally can never open this. Okay, taking this Primark brush, and I'm just gonna grab these 2 shades here, the more natural ones, the excess, and I'm just gonna blush up here and bring it down in the coconut scent. And I'm just gonna spritz my face because I like to do this before highlighter. I think it just gives a more dewy glow, and like it lets all the powders melt into my skin a bit better. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray my face. Yeah, I'm taking this Morphe brush. It came in like a eye set that I bought. This is what basically all my Morphe brushes are, that I bought an eye set, and I don't know how they thought this was for eyes, but I use it for highlighter and it's literally the best. So yes, I'm going to take this, spray it a little bit with some MAC Fix Plus, and I'm taking my Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. Let me just pop this on. The only thing is it's a bit dark, so you kind of have to go over with a lighter highlighter because it is like quite that champagne-y gold colour, but it is beautiful. It reflects as light, but when you face forward you can see the strips on the face. So to counteract that, I first go over it with the beauty blender, and then I like to take some Flexitarian and just pop that over the top just to lighten it up a little bit. Oh gosh, that is intense. Okay, I'm also going to take it on a fluffy brush and just bring it, I'm taking Flexitarian on the fluffy brush and bringing it on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose, and also highlighting my inner corners and the brow bone and my cupid's bow as well. Taking that same Kylie liquid lipstick, can't even talk, liquid lipstick in the shade Head Over Heels that I use for my eyes, because obviously this is a monochromatic look. So I'm just gonna pop down my lips, you know how it goes. I think the finished look, I'm just gonna finish off with some setting spray, that MAC Fix Plus again. Oh, actually, I forgot to put lash. I forgot to put lower lash and mascara. You could totally put like eyeshadow on the bottom. I just kind of want to keep it a bit cleaner. You know, don't want too much going on. I say that, I've got literally pink everywhere. But yeah. So yeah guys, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I've had this on my list of ideas for so long, I just never got around to doing it. But yeah, I really love it. I love how it turned out. It's actually quite simple, but it looks like you've put in a lot of effort, when really all you've done is just use your lipstick as your eyeliner. I would say make sure that your lipstick is eye safe. I'm pretty sure the Kylie ones are, but if not, I've done it before and I've survived, so. But yeah, just make sure, just in case you're sensitive or anything, you have to make sure that they're okay to be on the eyes. Other than that, have fun recreating it. Let me know if you do, tag me and everything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it. Comment down below so you can get a shout out next video, you know. If you want that to be you, just comment something cool or that will grab my attention, I don't know. But yes, I always go through all my comments and try and reply to basically all of them, so yes. Also please subscribe. I'm very close to 1,000 subscribers, which is actually insane, and as I've mentioned before, I will be doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're not already. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.